Hey guys, hope that you are doing well. I can't make live videos in these days only because I have stuff to take care, and sometimes I don't have so much energies uh, for making them. So today I want to share this quick walk with all of you. Um, I'm so glad to go out, if I have to be honest, because I had been at house for 2 days without so much energies, and sometimes you need to breathe fresh air. So today I finally went out. Weather is so weird because a moment we got sun, and the moment after we got dark skies, and this morning I was afraid of rain, and I'm glad that it didn't do it instead, and so I went to buy something that we miss at house because the, we baked, me and my mom, and today I went to buy eggs because sorry guys, one moment. I have to confess something. I'm afraid of dogs, if I have to be honest, because particular reasons. When I was 10 and I was returning from catechism, uh, I was I had an aggression by a dog, and for this reason I was afraid for so long time, and even today, if I saw that one of them is not quiet, I'm afraid, and so I don't go near him. And I know that it could be stupid, but it's one of my fear. And okay, uh, what I was saying, uh, oh yeah, that I went to buy eggs and other stuff because today my mom is doing coconut biscuits, and so we finished that. Yeah, uh, you know, even if she has arthritis, she still loves cooking, especially sweets, and so now in these days she made orange biscuits, ciambellone with chocolate chips, and today coconut sweets. I wish to send them to all of you, but I don't know how to send them, and so I have to read about rules to follow for post office. Okay, now I'm walking a little because I was I had been at house for 2 days, as I said, and so uh, I have to work. And if I have to be honest, in these days I'm having problems with myself because sometimes I noticed that my weight and my body um, are out of my control, and so I'm afraid uh, to be fat, or that I'm not eating healthy as I should. I eat vegetables, but and meat, and sometimes I try fish too, but fish is becoming food only for rich people. Yeah, it's very cheap to afford, and so I can't eat it as I wish, but I try something something less cheap. And okay, as I was saying, I eat them, but sometimes um, I love eat fried things too, or pizza, or sweets, and so I have to take care of my weight and my health. And when you take care of your mental health, or your health, I mean this kind of wealth, you can take care better of your mental health too. And you know, sometimes I think that I have a little dysmorphia, I suppose. What does it mean? It means that even if you are not ugly, you see it, you see yourself in this way, and so in any case you won't be never happy about your body. And some days ago I saw a documentary that talked about my favorite singer, Michael Jackson, that said that probably he suffered about this, and this explains so much things. And maybe I can be a little as this, because when I wake up at the mornings, sometimes I notice so much things that are not okay, and maybe it's not true, or they don't exist, but I see them, and for this reason I can be bad even all day. Yeah, mental health is very difficult to take care about, and I'm learning day after day that I made some great progresses, even if sometimes I don't notice them, but in reality I'm very proud of me because even only recognize them is a very great step. Um, okay, now I arrived at bus stop. I'm waiting for the autobus, and then I'll go to home, and for now the day is over. Um, I'm concentrating myself of new tales, new drawings, and I have to see if the next month I'll be able to make my projects on my YouTube channel, and make finally this podcast that I'm wishing from 2 years, but you know, when you have two parents with not so good health, and with medical stuff to take care, it's not easy to make all that you wish, and I haven't forget that I exist myself, and that I need to take care of myself, and even think about others, because even others uh, need your presence, even if for a little talk, few minutes, or an hour or two a day. And this is the message that I want to share. Even if you are dealing with your problems, it doesn't mean that others don't count. On the contrary, I think that dealing with your problems is a strong way to remain gentle, kind, and humble. Yeah, I try to stay humble as possible, and don't forget that every people has have their own fightings, and that you have to be understanding. But and I want to say this for the first time, there are people too that don't want follow advices, and they prefer to remain in their problems, and me too. I'm a part of this category, and for this reason I'm trying to be better, um, and to these people I can't give so much advices, because I'm not a therapist, and above all I'm not a psychiatric. I don't know if I translated this correctly, but it doesn't matter. The important thing is the message, and I was saying that I can't give so much advices for this, but the thing that I want to say is for a moment stop to think uh, about your problem. I mean, um, I'm not saying that you have to behave as they don't exist, but at the same time, for a moment, you don't have focalized only on your own problems, and maybe try to listen to people that care about you, and and maybe be more kind with yourself too, because as I said, every people has have their own battles, and at the same time they are trying to be understanding, so please listen to them. um, I think that it's better for you, and yeah, this is the best advice that I can share. And yeah, I think that today I'm making um, I don't know how to translate filosofia a spicciola, but yeah, today I'm making filosofia spicciola. um, Okay, guys, now I'm on the tram. I'll continue for my work before to go to home. See you next time, and hope that you are having a good day, morning, afternoon, evening, depending on your country. And I hope that I could make a live very soon. Thank you always for your support, and have positive vibes on your way. So, bye, guys.